Hey everybody, this is Tim with Op-Ed Daily. So the Department of Homeland Security has just come out and announced, probably a couple of weeks ago, that they have a new piece of technology called an ERAD. It is an electronic recovery and access to data prepaid card reader, and it does exactly what it says. It reads your prepaid card, and it can tell the officer how much money is on it, who owns it, and any information that you used to sign up with that card. Although some of them require basically no information, but still, it's there and they can access that. So why is this a bad thing? Well, because the police are looking at prepaid cards as nothing more than a container for cash. They are looking at a prepaid card as the same thing as cash, which means you have no expectation of privacy when it comes to that prepaid card. So they are claiming it doesn't violate your Fourth Amendment right against searches and seizures for them to look on that card and see how much money is there. Why? Because if they found a bundle of cash in your car, they could actually go through there and manually count it all to see how much it was. And civil forfeiture, if you haven't heard of that, that's where the officers can claim that money or property has been involved with illegal activity. And if that's the case, they can charge that money or the property with a crime and confiscate it, take it back to their jail, and hold it until such time as a judge renders that thing as being, yes, illegal. And then what happens is that either the property gets auctioned off, just straight up sold, or the police department keeps it. And with the cash, guess what they do with that? Oh, they go out and buy a whole bunch of cool stuff like, I don't know, grenade launchers and MRAPs and other things that they don't need, cool toys for them to play with. So I just wanted to give everybody a heads up because this is just one more push to get everybody away from cash and to push everybody into the banks. Because when everybody has money in the banks and the banks start to collapse because the banks start making bad investments, then everybody is going to get behind bailing the bank out when they screw up the economy because they are, quote, too big to fail. Because the FDIC doesn't have enough money to cover everybody's personal deposits. They don't have enough money to cover even what they claim to be able to cover, which is up to $100,000 for each bank account and $250,000, I think, for savings. They don't have enough money to cover that. But they still want you to put all your money into that bank account so that those banks are too big to fail. Because if everybody gets all of their money wiped out because the economy crashes, or people start pulling out all the money and they don't have any money because they've got it tied up in risky investments, then everybody's screwed. And they don't want that. They don't want that. They want to make sure that everybody is using a bank. That's, to me, all this is. If you have cash, you're going to lose it. If you have a prepaid card, they can look at it, and if there's too much money on it, or if they think it's too much money, you're going to lose it. So be careful next time you're running around with your prepaid card, and let's hope like hell you didn't just get paid that fat paycheck or bonus on that prepaid card, because let's face it, a lot of people in this country get paid on prepaid cards, and they don't have a choice in the matter. That's right. I'm sure this is no surprise to any of you. Anyway, this is Tim with Op-Ed Daily. Peace out.